Maalon kayo mong sago.
Laisyo kaya na yung sago. Hi guys! Welcome to another cooking episode. Today, we're going to share with you how to cook one of our favorite delicacies in Cebu. Next week is going to be Holy Week. So, we will prepare BINIGNIT! So, for the ingredients, we have here purple sweet potato, orange sweet potato, white yam, plantain banana, glutinous rice, brown sugar, coconut milk, and our substitute for langka. We will use vanilla extract. Binignit will never be complete without sago or pearl. But unfortunately, we cannot find pearls in Malaysia grocery store. So, we have a brilliant idea because we are very creative. Guess what? Ta-da-da! We have here pearl milk tea. Step 1 is to boil water. So we will just leave this until the rice is cooked. Now let's check if the rice is ready. Let's see. Now, the rice is ready. We will add the sweet potatoes and the white yam. Okay, let's check if the sweet potatoes are already soft. Now it's cooked already, so let's add the banana and the brown sugar. I will not add all the brown sugar. Let's just taste later if the sweetness is enough. Let's add vanilla extract to the coconut milk. Just 1 tablespoon. And then let's add it on our BINIGNIT mixture. Slowly. Wow. Okay, let's allow this to boil and then let's taste it later if the sweetness is good enough before adding the pearls and serve. Let's see if it's boiling already. Perfect! Now let's add the sago. Sago. Buba. Buba may nang ano tawag na?
Mau?
Buba pearl. Presenting our binignit with pearl milk tea.
Diba? Binignit with rice.
Sudahan na to guys.
Sudanan og rice ang binignit.
Kaya lain kay pro sudahan na tong ikaw. Guys. Dito.
Walang focus.
Eh? Saka taste. Dito sa Ricardo's.
Alright, once again, this is our trip for today. I will see you next time.
Back